Bonjour les enfants, comment ça va? Today we will learn about how to ask about pet animals and also how to answer if someone asks you about the pet animal. Do you remember some of the animals that we took last week? Can you unscramble the names of these animals? Remember to pronounce these letters the right way. So the OI, we pronounce it wa, wa. And the EAU, we pronounce them O, O. Can you read the following words by yourself? Tu as un animal? Do you have an animal? Oui, j'ai un chien. Yes, I have a dog. Can you answer the following questions by yourself? In the next slide, you will see a short puppet show, just in case you would like to do the white or the red crown. So you will have to do a puppet show like this one.
Bonjour, 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 bonjour. As-tu un animal? Non, je n'ai pas d'animal. Oui, j'ai un cheval. Hi, hi. As-tu un animal? Oui, j'ai une souris. Oh, merci beaucoup. Au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir.
Here we go with the crowns. If you choose to do the blue crown, so you have to complete the sentences with the words in the cloud. If you decide to do the white or the red crown, so you will have to do or to create a puppet show like the one that you saw on the previous slide. You may also wish to do the multicolor crown at the end. So good luck. Au revoir.